Hi, now we are going to see how to create a class, object and method, and what is class, what is object, what is method. As usual, I just created a simple class which is having a name, class, object and method, so that I can find what that file is doing just by the name of the class, right, or a name of the file. Now let me just create one value, int a equal to 10. I'm typing, right? So it's a integer, and then int b equal to 20. Then I'm going to create public void display. So when I give something like this, it is going to be a method. Okay, method will have access specifier, then void is a return type. Okay, it is not going to return anything. Okay, that's why I'm giving it as void display. It is something like method name. Okay, right? So it is going to display. So I'm going to give sysout. Okay, after typing sysout, I am just pressing control space. So it is completing the line. Okay, it's auto completion. It's one of the feature in Eclipse. Now, if I want to type, if I want to see the value of a, so a equal to space plus a. The same way, if I just copy and paste it here, let me just copy this and paste it here. So I'm just going to give b equal to plus b. That's all. Now I need to call this method. This will not execute automatically. Okay, so as if we have a switch for fan or home, right? The fan will not run until you switch on. The same way, until you call it, this two lines will not be executed. So I need to call it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a main method. Just type main control space, press enter. Okay, it will complete the main method syntax for you. I have to create an object. So what is actually object means? It should be a class name, object name, and equal to new class name with parenthesis and semicolon. Okay, so what's a class name here? It's a class, object and method. So I'm just typing cl and control space. So I'll be getting class, object and method. Okay, then I'm going to give com. Okay, class, object, method is equal to new control space, press enter, it will complete it. Now if I give a com dot display, okay, so now this will call the display method and print the result. Now right click, run as Java application. So just click okay. So say it's asking me to save. Yes, please always save the resource before launching, so it will not ask me again. So I'm getting a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. So thank you for watching.